Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I am Himanshu Sharma, and with us we have our student Arun, who is from Maharashtra, Sangli, from EC department, who had his interview today on 11th of November 2020. So, hi Arun, how are you doing?
Hello, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Okay, superb. You look quite happy, which means your interview has gone really well, huh?
Yes, sir. It was a good interview, sir.
Superb, superb. So, Arun, we would love to know your interview experience as you are from EC department, and this is our first video with a EC candidate with respect to TCS NQT 2021.
Yes, sir. So, Miss, I received the mail yesterday around evening time,
Hmm.
and it was mentioned that there will be interview today at 4:25 p.m.
Wow,
So,
which means only 1 day gap you get, just 20-24 hours.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
So, Miss, at the time of joining,
Hmm.
Miss, the platform was WebEx. So I
Hmm.
joined there, and in the panel, already Miss, 3 person was waiting.
Were you
Uh,
able to see them?
no, sir.
They were, I mean, the screen was blank from their
Yes, sir.
side.
Only they requested me to start my video.
Okay, okay. And as soon as you entered, they were waiting for you, or you had to wait for some time?
No, no, they were waiting for me, sir.
Okay, super. Huh.
Yes, sir. So, Miss, I started, Miss, one went from technicals and two were from HR.
Okay.
So, when I joined, but when
Hmm.
HR sir he gave introduction of all of three.
Hmm.
Then he told me to give my introduction. I
Hmm.
gave my introduction.
Hmm.
After that, Miss, technical round started,
You gave
and
your introduction properly, 1 minute.
yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Good, good. Huh.
Yes, sir. So,
Hmm.
means technical round when it started,
Huh.
Miss ma'am started asking about means list out the project which
Hmm.
I did it.
Hmm.
So I list out my all the project that I did it,
Hmm.
and the last project was related to COVID pandemic.
What do you
So,
mean by last project?
miss there were four projects that I'm performing and that I perform, and
Four
last,
projects.
yes, a four project, and two
One
were from
second.
college and
Huh.
two were from my personal project, sir.
Wow. So four projects you have done. Superb.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
And
the
final year project also, have you started or no?
no, no, sir, miss, just going to start soon, sir.
Okay. Before your final year project, you have already done four projects,
Miss, miss, three is done, sir, and one is on process.
and one is
Ongoing.
about to start.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. It is
Okay.
that is why COVID one, sir. It is
Okay.
going on.
Okay. Okay. Huh.
So the second question she asked about the COVID also. Means what is explain your project. So I
Okay.
explained that means I'm just using RPI and DSOLs,
Hmm.
and I'm miss the third question was related to that only about the project means which technology you are using.
Hmm.
So I mentioned RPI, and also means in future I can implement IoT
Hmm.
and cloud computing also we can use in.
Hmm.
So related to that, ma'am asks about the cloud computing. What you know about cloud computing?
Because you
So I
mentioned about cloud computing in the project, that is why she asked about cloud computing to you.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Huh.
So I just explain miss what is that.
Hmm.
Then she give the example of miss she asks about miss Google, Microsoft, and they are using miss they are storing the data somewhere. Miss
Hmm.
what technology they are using?
Hmm.
Means I told cloud computing.
Hmm.
Then means is there any other use of cloud computing other than storage?
Hmm.
So means I was not that much friendly with cloud computing as I am from electronics field.
Hmm.
So I just tell them, means, ma'am, I know this one, but yeah, there will be more uses only that
Hmm.
I am sure, but
Hmm.
I don't know about that one.
Hmm.
Directly, I said to her.
Hmm.
So the miss then she started. She asks about means what language you know. So
Hmm.
I mentioned C and a basic C++.
Hmm.
Then she asks Miss about the OOPS concept related to inheritance. Inheritance, I explain her.
Hmm.
Then she asks about classes, defined
Huh.
classes.
Hmm.
I tell her.
Hmm.
Then she asks about what is array. I
Hmm.
explain her.
Hmm.
Then she shift to HR. Means HR sir started my interview.
Hmm.
So he started asking about project only.
Hmm.
Means, sorry, from the technical only he started. He
Hmm.
asked that means you know basic C and C++.
Hmm.
Then if we'll give a project on Java,
Hmm.
how you miss how much you will be efficient, because you only know the basic concept only.
Hmm.
I explained that means a basic concept only, but I'm learning it. I'm
Hmm.
on process,
Hmm.
and I have learned C++ also.
Hmm.
So means I'm enhancing my coding knowledge, and also I explain it that things.
Hmm. Okay.
Then he asks about my quality, means apart from technical, what
Hmm.
are your qualities?
Hmm.
So that means it will be beneficial for the company.
Hmm.
So I mentioned means I play basketball, manage the event. I'm also the chief event director of club, and also I explain nicely that section also.
Hmm.
Then he started asking me about the uh, uh, time efficient. Means he asked me, you how many time you took to learn C and C++.
Hmm.
Means I mentioned that means C was in my first year, so
Hmm.
I learned in the first year, and C++ I was just learning in this COVID time only.
Okay. Okay.
So he told me it means you learn in first year and now you are learning C++. Then
Hmm.
you will take a lot of time to learn Java and Python. So I
Hmm.
mentioned it means about the quality that we means indeed he was willing to know how
Hmm.
much adaptable and efficient I am and fast
Correct.
learning or not.
Correct.
So this was the overall interview that was done in today's sir.
Technical. So any other question they asked, like, only they asked in OOPS for you and C. OOPS, they asked you about inheritance, they asked about classes and objects, and
Yes
they
sir.
asked you about arrays.
Yes sir.
That's all.
Yes, sir. Only that, sir.
Okay. And then they asked you about your internship, sorry, about your project, the
Yes, sir.
technology that is cloud computing
Yes,
and
sir.
all they asked.
The
Okay.
most important thing is resume. Means
Okay.
whatever will mention in resume.
Huh.
The thing is, means they were going through the resume in the
Mm-hmm.
time only. Means
Mm-hmm.
just they were mentioning that you have mentioned a lot of things in the resume. Means you have good technicals. So means they were going through resume whole the process means, during the interview time.
Okay. Okay. So anything with respect to your branch, they asked because AC is non-IT. Over here also they're asking questions on IT only. That is from OOPS and C concept.
So that is just very surprising for me also. Means I was preparing for my electronics field, but
Okay.
they only asked about this one. And moreover, my friend also means my best one. My interview was means 60% technical, and
Okay.
rest was non-technical. But
Hmm.
my friends' interview they was completely means non-technical based. They asked about relocation, means will you be suitable or not, just they were asking about non-technical questions, sir.
What wrong did you do in your life that they asked you technical?
Sir, I think the thing was resume, sir. It was maximum based on technical, sir.
Correct,
So
correct. Okay. So what I feel is because recently we interviewed even a mechanical student, even he told, sir, branch specific was not asked. Okay. Only C and OOPS was asked. So same way for you, I think OOPS and C was asked. More
yes, sir.
preference was given to OOPS.
Yes, sir.
So I think this is what they're seeing in all the branches. Even in CS department, we took interview yesterday. We were the first ones to release the video. And over
Yes, sir.
there also, they had asked about OOPS mainly to him.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I think OOPS is one concept which everybody should be good at before they attend this NQT interview. Am I
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So anything
And sir,
else? Huh?
one more thing, sir. Means my resume was two page one. So what I feel was that means the first page is most important thing.
Mm,
So if anybody is going for interview, so
mm,
first page should be means if it is one page, it is best. If it's
mm.
two page, then first page is most important. They are going to ask 100%. They are going to ask from the first page only.
Okay. 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 So second page, you had written your achievements and all in sports.
Yes, sir, it was in the second page, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you felt bad they did not ask much question on your sport.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, they would be happy with your achievement. By the time they saw, they would be happy, and they were like, all this is not needed. Already, this guy would have so much of caliber.
Hopefully, sir. Yes, sir.
Superb, superb. And you were when I called, you were telling something around that the classes OOPS concept helped.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Miss, I was going through the videos that you are posting in YouTube, sir. From that, miss, I learned miss OOPS concept problem. Miss, I just study in the COVID time, but thing was miss we have to do revisions also.
Correct.
So miss, that also I did from your channel, sir. So thank you so much for miss your content, sir. It helped me a lot, sir.
Super, man, super. That too, easy people performing well in OOPS. Okay, so we feel happy that we were able to train you well.
Yes, sir.
Arun, super. So that's all. Any management round question was asked? No situation was given for you?
No, sir. That was only, sir. There was two HR. There was no manager person there. So they were maximum asking from that section.
And they didn't ask you anything about relocation?
No, sir.
Night shift, nothing they asked?
And no, sir. But from my friend, Miss, my friend has faced management question also. They were given a lot of condition also, and based on that, Miss, they used to test their skills.
Correct. So all of you, if you want to know what are the management questions which was asked, do watch our video, first video of ours, where I have in detail explained about management questions. Okay, just 2 videos before this, you will find our first video on interview of NQT. There you will find all the type of management questions which was asked. Okay, anything else, Arun, that you would like to tell to all the viewers watching this? Any advice, any tip from your end?
From my side, Miss, I will just say, Miss, OOPS is most important thing that we should do revisions. C++, C is also good thing. And apart from that, confident matter a lot, sir. Miss, if you are confident, if you are knowledgeable, then it will be essential. Means if you are not confident, then there will no use of the skill that you have. So it doesn't matter, Miss, you have presentation skills or not. But if your skills and have confident, then the interviewers will be happy about your performance.
Obviously, because confidence is what is one main personality trait which they are searching. Am I right?
Yes,
if I'm not confident, it shows that I'm not prepared or I am not that good. That is my body language. If I'm not confident, I'm indirectly trying to tell that something is not good in me. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That is why they want. And if we don't have confidence on ourselves, how will the HR have confidence on us?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So as simple as that. Okay. All of you, the ones who are watching this, if you are like, sir, I would like to improve my OOPS concept, you can text us on Instagram or join our Telegram group. Okay, we will be providing you videos which will help you for sure in OOPS concept. Am I right, Arun?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can text us. We will provide you our videos where you can watch our OOPS concept, all the concept which respect to Infosys as well as TCS. Definitely it will help you a lot because we have done it practically. We have run the codes and we have played with the codes so that you understand it in the best way possible. So thank you, Arun, a lot for taking out time from your busy schedule and sharing your knowledge and information. I'm very sure that this video will help a lot of students, especially from EC department all over India.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, so thanks a lot. I wish you all the best. I'm sure you will get selected. Do leave me a message that, sir, I got selected. I'm waiting for the good news from your end.
100%, sir.
Okay, so thank you all of you for taking out your time and watching this video. I hope we have shared enough information for your interview preparation. We wish you all the best, study well, and may all of you crack the interview and get placed as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Take care. Keep smiling.